What's up, family? Today we are tackling one of the ultimate wonders of the world, the Great Wall of China. Specifically, we're at the Mutianyu section, which is famous for its breathtaking views, fully restored watchtowers, and, well, a much more forgiving climb thanks to some modern engineering. It's going to take maybe 20 minutes before we arrive at the Great Wall. Don't be too anxious. Relax, take it all in, including the tourist village at the foot of Mutianyu Great Wall acts as a brilliant, beautifully landscaped gateway. When you arrive at the main visitor center and parking lots, you cannot access the wall or the lift stations directly by foot. You must walk through a designated commercial village to reach the boarding area for the scenic area shuttle buses. The path to the shuttle bus is a gentle uphill walk designed to build anticipation while keeping you entertained and well fed. The village is packed with dining options, making it a popular spot to fuel up before a hike or unwind after. If you want something quick and familiar, you will pass a Burger King and a Pizza Hut right along the main path. For an authentic taste of northern Chinese countryside cooking, several rustic restaurants serve regional specialties. Keep an eye out for steamed or roasted mountain trout, stir-fried wild greens, handmade dumplings, and hearty millet pancakes. The path is lined with boutique shops and open air vendor stalls. It is a lively, colorful market where you can browse traditional Chinese silk garments, embroidered scarves, and robes, handcrafts, calligraphy brushes, and ornamental jade. Realizing you forgot something for the climb is common. The village shops cater heavily to hikers, allowing you to grab last-minute essentials. Bottled water, sports drinks, energy snacks. Buying them here is much cheaper than purchasing them from vendors up on the actual watchtowers. Sunscreen, wide brim hats, and cheap umbrellas or ponchos. If the mountain weather looks unpredictable, these items are available as well. At the end of this village path, you will reach the official ticketing gate and the shuttle bus station. Here you will show your ticket and hop onto one of the double-decker or standard scenic buses. The bus will drop you off at the actual base of the mountain where you choose your true ascent method to the wall. We chose peace and leg longevity today, so we are taking the cable car. This thing glides right up to Tower 14. The ride takes about 5 minutes, and honestly, the views alone are worth the ticket. Look at the stone ribbon cutting through the peaks. It gives you an immediate sense of the sheer scale of what we're about to walk on.
On the left side, that car is a number 14.
Okay.
Wow, we are officially standing on history. We just stepped off at Tower 14, and our goal is to hike up to Tower 18. Walking this section is like stepping into a living postcard. The path between towers 14 and 18 give you a perfect mix of flat stretches and sudden steep sets of stairs that will definitely wake up your calves. In the past, some sections of the wall were heavily restored with smooth modern concrete, which sparked a lot of public backlash. Today, the official policy is repairing the old as old. The goal isn't to make the wall look brand new. Restorers leave original stones, structural wear, and even certain vegetation completely intact unless it threatens to collapse the wall. They want it to retain its rugged, historic, wild appearance. Restorers use authentic Ming Dynasty recipes, including custom lime mortar mixed with sticky rice flour, an ancient secret for structural strength, and local clay bricks. Every few hundred meters, you pass through these massive watchtowers. The watchtowers are the true structural heroes of the Great Wall. Most of the iconic stone and brick towers you can see in vlogs today were masterminded during the Ming Dynasty by a legendary general in the late 1500s. These weren't just lookouts, they were high-stakes survival pods. A typical multi-story Ming watchtower was built to keep soldiers alive during a prolonged siege. But as we enjoy this incredible view, it's important to talk about the history and the immense human cost of what's under our feet. While the wall we are walking on today was largely rebuilt during the Ming Dynasty in the 1400s, construction on the very first sections of the Great Wall began over 2,200 years ago under the first emperor of China. It wasn't built by professional contractors. It was built by soldiers, peasants, and convicts working under brutal, unforgiving conditions. They had to haul these massive stone blocks, some weighing over a ton, up these sheer cliff faces by hand using basic ropes, wheelbarrows, and even goats. Because of the extreme terrain, freezing winter, and grueling labor, historians estimate that as many as 1 million people died during the centuries of building the various walls. There's an ancient Chinese idiom that calls the Great Wall the longest cemetery on earth. It's a sobering reminder that this global wonder is also a monument to human sacrifice. We are heading back to Tower 14 to catch our cable car ride back down to reality. Skipping the steep, knee-crushing descent down the mountain steps is the perfect way to wrap up the day. If the Great Wall of China isn't on your bucket list, add it right now and be sure to hit the like and subscribe button for more epic adventures in China. But wait, day 2 of our epic adventures in Beijing isn't over. On the next episode of Danielle Inspires, join us for roast duck, a world-famous culinary masterpiece known for its incredibly crispy skin and tender, succulent meat. Walk the Sacred Way, a majestic 7-kilometer tree-lined path located in the Changping district. It serves as the grand entrance to the famous 13 tombs of the Ming Dynasty, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Ever wonder what happens to an Olympic park after the world packs up and goes home? We are doing an exterior walking tour to see how Beijing transformed these mind-bending megastructures from elite sporting battlegrounds into the ultimate public hangout. And for a grand finale, forget everything you think you know about traditional theater. We are stepping into a world where human bones seem optional, gravity is just a suggestion, and you will literally forget to breathe. We are going to take you to the legendary Red Theater in Beijing for the world famous Chinese acrobatic show. Day 2 Epic Adventures in Beijing continues on the next Danielle Inspires. See you then. Thank you for joining me to watch another episode of Danielle Inspires. If you have not done so already, be sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel, hit the alert button to be aware of new content as soon as it is released, and share this video with those you love. See you next time.